gusto ko lang pasalamatan ang bagong CEO.
Officially taking over our company.
Oo, we declare bankruptcy.
Yes, and succumbed to the evil prowess.
Now, nako, before anything else, gusto namin pasalamatan si Ate Vanessa because we're here in Tagaytay because of her.
Yes, it's definitely been a weekend for us. We started out, ay nako, ito love na love ko talaga si Ate Elaine. Kasama si Ate SJ.
Yeah, from US 18.
From US 18, yes.
Then
super solid nung ano tawag dito? Nung ang tawag doon? Hot Spring. Talagang tinutuon ni Ate Elaine yung kumbaga si Ate Elaine noong una nabitin. So hindi na po pwede ang dinner lang. Tayo ay nag-overnight in Los Baños, Laguna. And then, of course, I think someone met someone's parents, and we will not na lang that story kasi it will be too obvious naman na umamin naman si Matthew na sinabi niya, 'di ba? Ano naman kung ano ko si Pablo?
Ano naman kung wallpaper ko si Pablo?
Na you only said that when you realized na mali ka. And now we're here in Tagaytay City. Grabe. Alam mo, hindi naman ako napagod. Pero, alam mo yun, na-enjoy ko kasi dalawang magkasunod na relaxing yung lakad na ginawa natin. First, relax kay Ate, with Ate Elaine, and then next, relax. Na-relax nga ba tayo ngayon?
Look at the evidence. Pakitago yung evidence. Ay, kita.
Unfortunately, andyan na yan. Pero yun, may mga things that we will just keep to ourselves kasi talagang spinoil din kami nitong mga ate namin. And super thank you sa mga pasalubong. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Makakarating sa mga bahay namin ang pasalubong nyo para kay Harry.
Yeah.
Pero ito na nga ito. Grabe. Sobrang highly requested nito. Sorry din.
Actually, we felt bad obliged and we felt bad talaga na hindi namin mahanapan ng time. So, the last minutes of our vacation, we need to react to this.
Yes, and sa mga new subscribers natin, during our live streams, we seldom react, especially to copyrighted videos. Kasi it is also for the protection of our channel since there are a lot of times na there's this thing we call live stream abuse, kung saan mahirap talagang mag-show ng copyrighted material when it comes to live streams. That's an extra layer na ginagawa namin protection for our channel. That's why what we do is we usually pursue these kinds of videos for anong tawag dito?
For our recording.
For recording.
And then we upload it.
Yes.
And then we don't earn from that. So isa pa yun sa pasasalamat namin sa mga bumubuhay ng aming channel.
Yes, yan sila Ate Elaine, mga long time natin si Ate Vanessa. And of course, may mga i-meet pa tayo in the future.
Now, kanakot, pag-usapan natin to, no? Parang, sorry, disclaimer, hindi po ako talaga nagbibisaya.
Yeah.
This is in Bisaya. I don't know kung anong specific na Bisaya, but I'm excited to hear because I heard good reviews from Ate SJ.
Yeah.
Actually, parang favorite niya ata to.
Sa lahat ng mga singles.
Oo, ng mga singles ni Philip. So, let's watch. Naku, parang lahat naman pala na-react natin kay Philip, no? Parang EP niya, palayo, na nakatago lang po sa channel. Hanapin niyo lang po. Okay? Okay, let's watch. Very rock star.
Saan ka yung condo to?
Mabayong di gani mauna-huna Pagati man ka nagugong mabagaha Makitang kao yan kay dili guwana Wala na ginahalan sa pag-ibong mabisagin sa paraganako Ang magino sa kanong ginagawa
Ang galing ng Kanako. Shoot, akala ko talaga Japanese word yun. Tapos, di ba yung cover pa nung single na to is parang he's falling. Tama ba? Tama ba? Basta yung black and white. Hindi ko,
So, Kanako is a Bisaya.
Yes, Kanako. Para sa akin.
Ang galing.
Tama
Oo nga no. Iniisip ko rin
Japanese.
yun. But what I'm seeing in the first minute is that parang hindi ito yung first time na nakakita ako ng mga artists na ginagamit yung mga clips of their performance, concert. Ginawa na rin ito ng ating mga idols sa Hollywood na parang ini-incorporate yung artist perspective also in the fans perspective sa isang music video. So parang natutuwa lang ako na hindi siya fully fan clips, performance clips na kinuha, tapos parang in-incorporate para lang maging music video. Kinombine din ng parang sa condo rooftop.
Tsaka in-edit siya in a manner na I think mag-fit dun sa kanta.
Yeah.
Hindi lang siya nagmukhang simpleng montage na in-edit sa Windows Movie Maker.
Yes! At saka baka mamaya, hindi pa natin alam, pero ano ba to? Parang song for the fans ni Philip?
Actually, nagbibisaya ako, pero alam mo naman na hindi ako bisdak.
Parang hindi business Bisaya, hindi expert Bisaya.
Basta hindi ako bisdak.
Okay.
Hindi ako lumaking Bisayang dako. Pag dako is lumaki. So hindi ako lumaking Bisaya ba? Kumbaga I'm born and raised in Manila. Kumbaga it was only the 6-month stay ko dun sa Davao 2017 or 2018 na natuto ako. So yung kumbaga nakakaintindi ako, but lalo na kapag mga ganito, this is not just conversational, this is already embedded sa music, mahirap.
Mahirap, yeah. Nagigets ko yun. Iba kasi conversational sa labas.
Ikaw, nag-aral ka ng Nihongo, di ba? But it's quite difficult na kapag kanta na yung papakinggan mo.
Yes, iba na. Parang iba na yung business, in
True.
News.
Ang galing! Nung sinabi niyang parang everything changed when I met you, parang may ganong part.
Oo, parang nadja-judge ako. Parang may mga ganong...
Ang tinutukoy niya pala ay fans.
I think so.
Well, the music video speaks for itself.
Yeah. Tama ka doon, Blake, no?
Galing.
Oy!
Tibok ako nga bitawad mo. Ano ni hatag na kanino? Ano ni hatag yanino? Ikaw akong kusog, ikaw akong kalipay. Gumaong karatod mamatay. Manalay pa masulte, hindi mo kay. Kumang kanan, ako mamatay. Kung mawala ka, ang buta lang.
Wait, this is parang nakakatuwa. Parang if you are really a Philip stan, siguro, Ken stan, and then you're going to hear this, ang sarap talagang ipagtanggol ng tao na he heard us.
Yeah.
He felt our love.
True.
For him. Parang kahit ano man yung past, ano man yung parang napuna, panguhusga, basta nandiyan yung pagmamahal, nakakakalma sa kanya. Diba?
And what better way to express something that you've been meaning to say to a person or to people than through a song?
Tama. Like for example, diba, based on my perspective lang at saka pagtingin kay Ken, parang he's a man of few words. And then how is he going to express it sa interviews, sa vlog, kung magba-vlog man siya.
True.
But this is a beautiful love song.
Way, actually.
Oo, actually.
Tonight
Oh, the introvert me. My God.
Yun na, kasing-kasing hard. Tama ba?
My God. Surprisingly, I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the, with...
Alam mo, proud Bisaya talaga si Philip, no? Hindi niya lang ginamit yung Kanako hindi niya ginamit ang Tagalog talaga sa Kanako.
Yes. That's what I appreciate. Sometimes talaga, mas ma-express mo yung love mo.
True.
In your mother tongue.
Yeah.
And no need to overthink on how are you going to interpret a song than by using your mother tongue. And I truly appreciate it even though I'm reading the translation. Kasi parang yung pagkakakanta pa niya dun sa Kanako is simply very Philip.
True.
In a way na parang walang kailangang baguhin, walang kailangang i-emphasize. It's just expressing his sincerity. That's what I felt, actually.
You know, damang-dama mo yung message ng kanta, especially with him singing. He's very expressive sa artistry niya. So, yeah, I have nothing much to say about Kanako except that it's really good in the manner na nakapag-express ka ng sentiment mo.
Yes.
Doon sa
actually,
song.
Ngayon, nare-realize ko na, kasi parang kanina po, nung tiningnan namin yung Kanako, may band version. So I thought na band version siya. But upon checking, same song, same rendition. It's just that parang yung music video is mas focus dun sa shoot nila sa rooftop.
Yes.
Ngayon, na-feel ko, nung una sa totoo, nung first minute, parang sabi ko, di ba parang, they integrated some clips. Minsan, nakikita ko yun as lazy way na parang gusto lang na mag-release na isang music video. Gamitin na lang natin yung mga clips na meron tayo.
That
But
exists.
it is really intentional.
Yeah.
It only shows na nag-upload pa siya isang version talaga na banda. Meron talaga kami pinrepare for this music video. This is really a release na hindi lang kukuha kami ng mga clips. But intentional yung pagkakasama ng mga 18 saka ng mga Philip Stan sa music video because it is about the love. Oh my God. Patulog na lang kami, papahinga na lang kami, pero napangiti mo kami, Philip. Thank you.
Thank you, Philip. And this song will mean a lot, especially dun sa mga, kumbaga, this raises the banner not only of the Kenstans, pero yung mga Bisaya talaga na, alam mo bang may Visayan Vispop? May Vispop actually. May friend ako, si Winsett. Sumasali talaga sila ng Vispop Awards. So may local competition talaga tayo when it comes to Bisaya songs. And at least ito si Philip, kumaga, while he is very much representing Bisaya sa mainstream pop, hindi niya pa rin nakakalimutan yung roots niya. So I guess that's...
Yeah, I think hindi na rin natin kailangan pahabain, but congratulations, Philip. We're very happy with this release. Actually, parang nakikita ko talaga na upon watching it, parang natouch ako. Parang yun lang, parang natouch ako knowing the story of SB19, knowing the story of Philip, and hearing words that are very hurtful for us. What more for him? What more kung, alam mo yun? So, thank you, Philip. Congratulations. More singles to come, and sorry if we're late, but it's better than never.
This is your Sugar Spice and Sometimes Nice. My name is Blake.
And my name is Matt. If you want to support our channel, ibasa na lang po ng description box below. And thank you so much. Bye. See you soon.